Hi, just me again. I'm in the lobby of a hotel waiting for individuals to show so that we can have our meeting. I thought I'd just give a short idea that I came up with yesterday. One of my flights from Jacksonville to Atlanta was delayed. So I took advantage of the opportunity and scheduled a couple hours of continuing education that was impromptu. The service that I've purchased provides webcasts that are qualified for continuing education hours, and they're held throughout the day. So I was able to schedule 2 separate 1-hour courses that would qualify for continuing education as a certified public accountant, as a certified veterinary practice manager, being certified in forensics, and of course my beloved certified global management accountant. In all of these instances, I had a chance to learn something in periods of time that everyone else was complaining. Of course, I ducked into a flight club where things were a little less hectic, put on earbuds so I could drown out the rest of the universe, and was able to gain additional hours. One of the advantages that I was thinking of is that from time to time you will need to travel, especially if you're joining us in one of the partnerships, because we will have multiple meetings in the course of the year. And one of the advantages that you have is the Socratic exchange with your fellow wizards in your specific profession and how it affects the partnership as a whole. So it's an exciting time, it's a good opportunity. Strongly encourage you to consider what would be available in travel and how to best optimize your time. So again, until the next time, I hope you have a wonderful day today and that things go well. See you.